Alliance Gator. Alliance Gator offers a complete line of cleaners for concrete pavers, wet cast and natural stone. Alliance Gator Shampoo, the ideal cleaner that removes stains caused by ground-in dirt on your concrete pavers or natural stones, and it will not harm your vegetation. Here are the steps to follow. Wet the paved surface. Apply, with the use of a pump sprayer, a pre-mixed layer of 1 part cleaner to 4 parts water. Use 1 gallon of the premix for 75 square feet or 7 square meters surface. With the help of a hard bristle brush, scrub the sprayed surface in 75 feet sections at a time. When the surface has been properly brushed, rinse the area in order to remove all traces of the cleaner. There should be no traces of foam left. Repeat the Gator shampoo application and brushing steps until the entire surface is clean of all debris and stains. This will be the result of a job well done. At Alliance Gator, quality is our strength. For more information, you can reach us at alliancegator.com.